Anywhere I go, I'll get there quick. Because I'm teeny, teeny, teeny tiny. I like to have fun and make up rhymes. If I don't know where to go, I'll follow the signs. This game is part of a larger course called Multiplication and Movement, which also goes through square numbers and different times tables using coordination exercises, storytelling, geometry. It also presents children with different strategies or tricks to be able to be more proficient with their times tables and their mental math skills. This is a very joyful journey, and I hope that you will join me as we discover all the ways that numbers are around us and alive in different shapes, forms, rhythms, and stories. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Feel free to subscribe and click the link below for more information on my courses and offerings, as well as resources for parents, homeschooling families, and of course, for our dear children.